your present?
He's gonna eat the tissue paper.
There's no tissue paper.
Give me that toy.
Wait, Trig, is that it?
The other one's no, there's something else in there.
Trigger,
Trigger, you got more presents.
open your present. What's in the bag?
Trigger, what's in the
Trigger, get in your bag.
What's the rest in here? What is that?
Get it.
Up so he won't get it.
Aw.
Look at Trigger.
He's like, no, I like this.
What's that? What's that?
Trig, you gotta open your cookies.
Trigger, come open your cookies.
Yeah, sure, no problem, Mom.
Trigger, don't you want cookies? Look, it's cookies. Those are cookies. Bye.
He's gonna put them in his pile. I can't get to him.
Let's go Sarah to open the cookie.
Do you need help opening your cookies?
I don't know. He's
No, he'll figure it out.
Working on it.
No, you need help?
Cookies.
Come here.